So yesterday we bought this car. Today I'm broke down on the side of the road.
Consumer Reports' latest findings show that EVs and plug-in hybrids remain more trouble-prone than traditional gas models.
Well, I was just rolling up my window, but now I don't know. What the f?
Do you trust that your vehicle will take you where you need to go without a hitch? For many drivers, that trust is shattered when their car starts breaking down in the most inconvenient ways. Discover which vehicles might not be as dependable as they seem. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and keep informed. Let's get into it. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class features a complete redesign, bringing in the latest technology from the brand and an impressive modern interior. The E350 comes equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and a mild hybrid system, delivering a respectable 28 mpg in overall testing. The powertrain runs smoothly, though there is a slight delay in power delivery due to the engine's stop-start system. Despite these upgrades, Consumer Reports decided to remove its recommendation for this model. The reason is a series of reliability concerns reported by owners, including transmission problems, brake failures, electrical issues, and deterioration of body parts. Additionally, the vehicle has been noted to make random noises and leak fluids in certain areas. Considering the hefty price range of $64,000 to $93,000, which places this vehicle in the luxury category, these reliability issues have led to a significant loss of credibility for the brand. Mercedes-Benz, known for its engineering excellence, has taken a hit to its reliability reputation with the E-Class. Number 2. Chrysler Pacifica. The Chrysler Pacifica has been on the market since its redesign in 2017. Still, it's been facing a range of serious issues, making it one of the least reliable vehicles in its class. According to Consumer Reports, the Pacifica struggles across nearly every system in the car. For a starting price of $43,145, which families typically expect to pay for a reliable minivan, these widespread issues are simply unacceptable. When a vehicle meant to be a dependable family companion becomes a source of stress and concern, it raises serious questions about Chrysler's commitment to quality in their minivan lineup. Number 3. Chevrolet Equinox. Chevrolet unveiled the 2025 Equinox with big promises, sleek new looks, modern tech, and a fresh design. On the exterior, the SUV impresses with slim LED lights, a fresh platform, and a massive touchscreen. But when you look beyond the surface, it's a different story. The Equinox offers only one engine, a turbocharged 1.5-litre 4-cylinder. Front-wheel drive models come with a CVT transmission, while all-wheel drive models get an 8-speed automatic. Despite its shiny new features, Consumer Reports did not hold back when it came to reliability. The Equinox ended up at the bottom of their list due to serious problems reported by owners, including transmission failures, leaks, and issues with the computer system. In addition, the in-car electronics have been causing major frustrations. The infotainment screen often reboots randomly, or in some cases, goes completely black while driving at 70 miles per hour. Although the 1.5-litre turbo engine works fine for driving around town, it falls short when more power is needed. On the highway, passing other vehicles becomes a noisy, underpowered struggle. With all of these issues, the 2025 Equinox fails to deliver on the promise of a well-rounded, reliable SUV, leaving many owners disappointed. Number 4. Genesis GV60. The main issue lies with the Integrated Charging Control Unit, ICCU, which serves as the heart of the vehicle's charging system. When this unit fails, the SUV becomes completely unable to charge, turning your new electric vehicle into a costly, non-functional piece of equipment. In fact, nearly 100,000 Hyundai and Genesis EVs were recalled because of this exact problem. The ICCU can fail, preventing the 12-volt battery from charging and resulting in a total power loss. Number 5. Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 has been on the market since 2017, and despite being a luxury crossover, It hasn't seen any major redesigns in 8 years. This lack of updates makes you wonder why, after nearly a decade, the vehicle still has unresolved issues. Given the long time to address potential problems, it's surprising that Cadillac hasn't managed to fix these recurring issues. Consumer Reports recently removed its recommendation for the XT5 after receiving numerous complaints from owners. One of the most significant problems reported by drivers is the need for complete transmission replacements. One of the most frustrating and bizarre problems concerns the weather seal around the sunroof. It's a problem that's almost unbelievable for a vehicle in this price range, and it highlights the XT5's poor attention to detail. For drivers who expect a premium experience, this issue should never have slipped through the cracks. Number 6. Volvo XC60 Plug-in Hybrid. The Volvo XC60 Plug-in Hybrid, launched in its second generation in 2018, initially impressed with its powerful 455 horsepower and exceptional acceleration. It offers an impressive 35 miles of electric range before switching to hybrid mode, where it manages a respectable 28 mpg. On paper, this is a top-tier luxury SUV with excellent performance and efficiency. However, the reality has proven to be less than stellar. Consumer Reports, after evaluating the XC60, downgraded its reliability rating due to severe issues with the high-voltage battery system. These aren't just minor bugs or software glitches. This is a full-blown malfunction of the vehicle's electrical system. When the high-voltage battery fails, the car becomes useless, turning into an expensive, immobile paperweight. Owners have also reported problems with the electric motor and the drive system, further adding to the frustration. The vehicle's climate control system has been known to stop working, and the ride quality has been criticised as stiff and uncomfortable, which is surprising given that the XC60 is marketed as a luxury vehicle. What's particularly troubling is that these problems are not isolated incidents. Consumer Reports doesn't base its findings on just a few complaints. They analyse feedback from hundreds of thousands of vehicle owners. When they report that the XC60 plug-in hybrid has widespread issues with its high-voltage battery and other key systems, it's a serious red flag. With prices starting at $61,150, this is a significant investment. And yet, Consumer Reports is advising potential buyers to avoid it. For a luxury SUV, these reliability issues are far from acceptable, making the XC60 PHEV a risky choice for anyone looking for a dependable, long-term vehicle. Number 7. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento, which first debuted in its 4th generation in 2021, isn't exactly a new vehicle. However, it's still relatively fresh on the market. Despite its modern features, Consumer Reports removed its recommendation for the Sorento, particularly because of issues with the dual-clutch transmission on higher trims. If you've ever experienced a dual-clutch transmission in stop-and-go traffic, you'll understand how frustrating it can be. The vehicle tends to be jerky, hesitant, and just plain annoying to drive daily. But the problems don't stop there. Owners have reported issues including transmission slippage, glitches in the vehicle's computer system, brake problems, and electrical accessories failing unexpectedly. These ongoing issues make the Sorento feel more like a hassle than a reliable SUV, which is not what you want from a car you plan to depend on for years to come. Kia does offer a well-known 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which sounds appealing. But there's a catch. This warranty applies only to the original owner, so it doesn't transfer if you purchase a pre-owned Sorento. If you are hoping to buy a used model, thinking that the warranty covers you, think again. This could leave second-hand buyers vulnerable to potentially costly repairs without the safety net they expected. These factors have led many to question whether the Sorento is truly the dependable SUV it claims to be. Number 8. Chrysler Voyager. At almost the top of the list of least reliable vehicles sits the Chrysler Voyager. Launched in 2020, the Voyager is an affordable, stripped-down version of the Pacifica. While it shares the same core design and features, it has even worse reliability ratings. According to Consumer Reports, owners have experienced a wide range of issues, including transmission problems, steering and suspension failures, and brake malfunctions. In-car electronics often glitch, and there are frequent noises and leaks throughout the vehicle. The Voyager may look like the Pacifica, but with fewer features, it also carries the same major reliability issues. It's a minivan that, instead of offering peace of mind, leaves owners with constant trips to the dealership. At a starting price of $40,895, you're paying for a vehicle that will spend more time in the shop than on the road. For families who need a dependable car, this is an incredibly disappointing choice. Number 9. GMC Acadia. The 2024 GMC Acadia is facing similar problems to those of its siblings, the Traverse and Enclave. Consumer Reports ranked the Acadia at the very bottom of its reliability list, citing major issues such as transmission fluid leaks and the need for complete transmission replacements on vehicles with fewer than 10,000 miles. These problems are compounded by brake issues and electrical accessories that stop working at random. Beyond performance, owners have also expressed frustration with the vehicle's comfort. The front seats are described as flat and unsupportive, making long drives uncomfortable. As we've seen, not all cars are created equal, and some fall short in ways you'd never expect. If you're considering a new vehicle, it's crucial to research and understand what you're truly getting into. Don't let yourself be blindsided by a flashy design or big promises. So, which car on this list surprised you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful reviews and updates on the vehicles you need to know about. Drop us a thumbs up for the algorithm, and we'll see you in the next one.